Here I have BLUBOO Picasso, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, what you have to do is to go to the settings. Here you have to select date and time, and here you have date and time options. You can choose to turn your time and date automatically to your GPS provided time or to your network provided time. You can use the automatic time zone. Here you can set your date, set your time. You can select your time zone on your own, and here you can switch from the 24-hour to 12-hour format. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.